Wait. Look. Come on, Daddy, let's go. Hello. Hey. Let's go down the footpath here.
You press the button?
Yeah.
Right.
So many cool trees. Oh, look.
Right, well why don't you talk on it, say that we're going down to Moston train station.
Hello guys, we're going down to Moston train station.
Do it properly, son, don't be silly.
Look. I didn't know this was the Moston train station. Look. There's the train station there. Let's just hop down here.
Don't run with it.
Alright, now just gently walk with it, but fastly. Some cool drawings. Got some cool drawings over there.
Video.
Train there going by. That was very quick.
That was nice timing, wasn't it?
The buses, and then feed it down
Get
there.
away from the edge, son.
And this one, you see a lid down there. I go higher up. Before I see a little red light, which you cannot see. And it says.
Did you feel the wind from that train?
Definitely. There it says. Missing train station. And then it says keep back from platform edge. Then we got that there.
2:30. There's a train in 20 minutes.
And then you got up there. And then look. You got a telephone box. It's blurry, look. It's white. Got all of this stuff here. Cool rock. Oh look. No trespassing sign. You do that?
No, go up to that red sign and film it. Don't.
There
Passengers must not cross this point or cross the line. Warning, do not trespass on the railway. Penalty, £1,000 fine. Is a train coming?
Got a train coming. Very slowly. Stand back
He's
a
not.
little bit.
He's travelling at some speed, him.
He's going all the way down. Wow! How about the wind from that?
Right.
Goodness me.
Right, stop it now. Press